In this video, we'll prove that the absolute value of the product of two numbers is equal to the product of their absolute values. In simpler terms, absolute value of x times y equals absolute value of x times absolute value of y. Let's start by reviewing what absolute value means. If a number is 0 or positive, its absolute value is just the number itself. But if the number is negative, its absolute value is the opposite of the number, which makes it positive. We'll use a proof by cases. That means we'll consider different possibilities for the signs of the numbers x and y. There are 4 combinations to look at. Case 1, both numbers are positive. Case 2, both numbers are negative. Case 3, x is positive and y is negative. And case 4, x is negative and y is positive. If both numbers are positive, their product is also positive. The absolute value of their product is just the product itself. The absolute values of x and y are also just x and y. So the product of their absolute values is the same as their actual product. That confirms the equation. If both numbers are negative, their product becomes positive. The absolute value of their product is just the product again. But the absolute value of x is the opposite of x, and same with y. When you multiply two negative numbers, you still get a positive number, so again, both sides are equal. Now, if x is positive and y is negative, their product is negative. So the absolute value of their product is the opposite of that product, making it positive. The absolute value of x is just x, and the absolute value of y is the opposite of y. Multiply them, and you get the same positive result. So the rule still works. This is the reverse of the last case. X is negative, y is positive. Their product is negative. The absolute value of their product is the opposite of that negative number, so it's positive. The absolute value of x is the opposite of x, and the absolute value of y is just y. Multiply them, and once again, we get the same result. The rule holds. In conclusion, we've checked all the possible combinations of signs for x and y. In every case, the absolute value of their product equals the product of their absolute values. That completes the proof.